Hey guys, my name is Rashid and welcome to another video of jfydetailing Detailing. In this episode I'm going to show you how to clean your interior using some simple products. Before we actually start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like car detailing. I already have some videos on my channel, but will be posting a lot more in the future. So if you don't want to miss out on any of the videos, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified. So let's continue with our video of today. As you've already seen, the car is quite dirty. So what product are we going to use from video 1? Well, to clean this interior, I'm simply going to use my glass cleaner and a microfiber towel. You might ask, why are you using a glass cleaner? Isn't it only supposed to be used on glass? Well, most of the so-called home-use glass cleaners, like I'm using right now, are actually multi-purpose cleaners. Just look at the back of the bottle to find out which materials the product can be used on. And if you are afraid to use it on a certain material in the car, just try it out on a spot where nobody will notice and see how it cleans. And like always, try to work from top to bottom. This way you'll make sure that any dirt or particles that fall down doesn't fall on top of the surface you just cleaned. So start with the visors, the rear view mirror and so on. Now as you are cleaning, keep inspecting your work. If you see dust or dirt, just clean it again till you are satisfied. There is no special way or movement to clean it, so see for yourself what cleaning method works best on that particular surface. As we've cleaned our window and dashboard, we now move on to the doors, and again from top to bottom. So we start with the windows and then continue on with the door panels. So next up are the seats and the door sills. And there we go, our interior panels, windows and dash are now cleaned. So the next step will be to vacuum the interior. So we'll start with the seats. I'm using a carpet bristle that came with my vacuum cleaner. This piece is quite handy to have. It will loosen up the dirt and give you more cleaning power. Simply attach it to your vacuum cleaner and start cleaning. Now that our seats are clean, we'll continue with the carpets and the floor mats. Now simply start with vacuum the bigger particles first. Make sure they are all cleaned up before you continue with the next step. Now that we've removed the bigger particles, it's time for the next step, and that is attaching the bristle again. When the floor mat is cleaned up, remove it and lay it on a clean surface, so you can continue vacuum the rest of the carpet inside your car. So there we go, we've cleaned our carpet and floor mat. Now the final items to do are the pedals. And again, I'm using my glass cleaner. Simply spray it on the towel and rub it onto the pedal. Then simply use your fingernails to get into the cracks of the pedal. And there we go, we have a clean pedal on the left. Now simply clean the other pedals and you're done. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. For now, thank you for watching and take care.